As a young woman in today's world, I feel I'm really lucky because I can choose any career path that I want to without any limitations. Because if I think about my mom's time, teaching was probably considered the only safe job, but right now that's not the case. Hi, my name is Samia and I'm 22 years old. I'm the digital marketing lead for Shura Business Setup Dubai. If I have to talk about my personality, I'm a very happy-go-lucky person. You'll always find me giggling over silly things, and like my friends would even, they constantly keep reminding me in serious situations that it's not the time to laugh, but that's how I am. But at the same time, I'm a very competitive person, which helps me in my personal growth.
Samia has been a very energetic girl from her childhood. She was very studious and interested in all extracurricular activities. And she wanted to study from the beginning.
I graduated only 2 years back, and I never thought that at the age of 22 I would be leading such a big team. But I'm glad that even though I joined Shura as a fresher, they recognized my efforts and gave me the opportunity to bring my ideas to the table and implement them. And that is why I'm here where I am today.
Hi Samia, it's a pleasure to have you around. You joined us as an intern just when you were out of your college, but literally in those few months that you were intern with us, the way you exhibited yourself, the sense of calmness with which you approach your work, the way you handle the pressure, and the skills that you possess, it kind of was enough for us to make up with a decision and to give you a managerial berth. And this probably was historic because you are probably the youngest manager that we have in Shura in the last 20 years. And I think it's a pleasure to have you around. Not just the work skills that you possess, but your charming personality, your energy level. You have been very diligent when it comes to work, and you have been such a positive influence to have around.
So I enrolled into hotel management course only because of my love towards culinary arts, but few weeks into the course I realized that culinary arts was a very small part of the entire course and the other subjects were not really of my interest. So I opted for my plan B, which was journalism and mass communication. And the reason I always liked journalism and mass communication was because it was such a diversified course with a lot of creativity involved in it. Plus it had a broad career options in it. And that's the reason I opted for it. However, even now, I still splurge my money on cooking and baking equipment. And it's a dream to have a chef tag before my name one day. So the funny thing is that as a kid I hated maths, I hate numbers, I didn't want to look at it, but here I am every day crunching numbers as a part of my job every day, and honestly I'm loving it. Managing a team has been a great learning experience so far. It has pushed me out of my comfort zone, but at the same time taught me a lot of things. I've learned to become more empathetic towards people and have learned to be more patient, and at the same time become more open to others' ideas and opinions. I believe if I could do something so big at the age of 22, anyone can do it as long as they have faith in themselves.